Good morning. Happy Friday. Is it Friday? I'm pretty sure it's Friday, isn't it? So yay, let's get ready for our weekend. Let's clean up the kitchen a bit. It's already clean, but I just want to wipe down the counters. We had leftovers last night, so I'll probably cook something new today. Half got a new game yesterday. She's been playing 25, but now she's on 26. It was actually on sale for 20 bucks, which sounds like a good deal to me for entertainment for an entire year. Dusty. That's better. I bought a few things for my plants. A little decorative stone to sprinkle on top. A little, what do you call this? A plant caddy. And an end table. So I'm going to put this stuff together and we're going to rearrange my plants again. That's fun. That's why I moved the chair. I got this at the dollar store for $2. It's a 3-pack. It's really small though. Remember the ones I bought at Home Depot for like 17 bucks? They were really wide. They were like this size. So I'm not sure if this will be the right size, but we're gonna try it. I got this plant caddy. It's so cute from Home Sense for 24 bucks. And I got this end table. It was from a store called Jisk for $39.99, but on their website they had it. So on the website they had it priced $39.99 or 2 for $40. I don't know if that was a mistake, but obviously I bought them online and just picked them up in store. So I actually got 2 of them for 40 bucks. Sold one on Marketplace for 30. So yay me. I only needed one, so. The funny thing is I actually had this exact same table at my old house and I sold it on Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks, oddly enough. Because at that time, you guys know, I didn't know where I was moving. I didn't know anything. So I was just flying by the seat of my pants. So I just sold everything that I didn't know if I would need. So I sold it for 20 bucks. Then now they have them 2 for 40. So I bought 2 for 40 bucks, sold one for 30. So I feel like I'm up overall. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I came with these little things so that it doesn't scratch the floor. Let me give you guys a tip to clean your screen doors. WD-40. Look at this. Looks clean, right? So spray your rag. Don't spray the camera. Spray the rag. We're good. Disgusting. Y'all, it's hours later. I cannot begin to tell you what had happened was Monet, this bitch right here, was infested with gnats. And I don't know where they came from. I mean, I kind of know where they came from. Guys, it was infested. I checked the rest of the plants. The rest of the plants are okay, but the rest of the plants, their soil was dried out. So I guess because, remember I had just pruned Monet, and then I watered her really, really well. The gnats loved that moist environment, and they went ham. So I spent the last 2 hours. I went to the store, got new potting soil, got a new planter, completely took her out her pot, rinsed her roots with hydrogen peroxide and water, put new soil, did all the things, you guys. So I'm really nervous because this is like the second huge change I've done for her, like pruning plus repotting. So I'm hoping she doesn't go into shock. She looks great. Hold on, you guys can't see. She looks amazing right here. New pot looks amazing, but I'm just worried for her. So we'll keep an eye on her over the next little while. Baby D looks amazing on her little stool. Oh, I got this basket from the dollar store so I could put some flip-flops in. That way, once we start using the balcony, we can just quickly in out. That is the infested soil that I will be bringing down to the garbage. And then Family is over here. She's on the caster wheels, so I can sort of wheel her around when I want to. So it looks great in here. Like, I like everybody's positioning. I'm just really worried for Monet. I cleaned my windows and my screen. Like, I know all the dust and pollen gnats are really attracted to, so I cleaned my screen. It looks so clean now. WD-40 trick. Like, it doesn't even look like there's a screen there. It's like sparkling. Love it. Cleaned my windows again and sprayed some essential oils. I sprayed eucalyptus essential oil around the door to try to repel them. So we're just gonna keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best, guys. That's all we can do. All right, next up, Mama Daily actually gave me a bunch of veggies that I froze, and then I got more veggies from Charisse. So I have a bag of veggies here, which I'm gonna do a stir fry tonight. And then I also have like a bunch of zucchinis. So I'm gonna cut one up to add to this veggie mix for the stir fry. Cut two up and put it in the freezer for soups and stuff. And then I'm gonna use one to make a zucchini bread type loaf thing, I think. So let's do that. Yum. Smells good. This is why I hate baking, because it makes such a mess as opposed to cooking. I feel like cooking is such a clean process. Baking, all over the place. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't want They're all done. The place smells amazing. So I got 2 loaves out of it. Let me take one out so you can see it. Oh, it's so cute and perfect. Yum. And maybe I'll give this one away. Or maybe I'll eat them both. Take a sniff. Mmm. Smells like cinnamon and vanilla. So good.